A Florida couple is suing their insurance company's adjuster, claiming he manipulated his equipment in order to lowball their claim.
News 6 investigator Lewis Bolden has been covering Florida's insurance crisis for years now. He joins us in studio with their story. Lewis.
Well, Davis Miranda filed a lawsuit against his insurer 4 years ago for breach of contract for not paying out a claim for a water leak. Now, these are pictures all inside of the house. It has been in litigation since then, and last month he filed a second lawsuit claiming the insurance adjuster committed fraud. The company says it's not true. He and his partner say their house has been damaged for years, waiting for a resolution.
This is to the kitchen.
Davis Miranda and Kimberly Chauvin's home has been in disarray after a years-long battle with their property insurer that turned into a lawsuit.
Oh, it's terrible. It feels like you're getting ripped off.
In 2018, the couple discovered there was a water leak coming from inside the wall behind their stove. They say they immediately called their insurer, Universal Property and Casualty Insurance Company, for direction.
By the way, I had never been involved in a claim before, and neither had Dave. This is Dave's first home.
According to Chauvin, the adjuster estimated in his report the repair would be $835, not enough to meet their $2,500 deductible.
At the time, obviously, all the walls were still intact. Everything was still, we had no idea what was truly happening.
Months later, while still trying to resolve the issue with the insurer, the couple started to smell mold. They hired their own public adjuster who found there was a much bigger problem. There was moisture in the walls, and a lot of it.
All the bottom cabinets had mold.
They found mold behind numerous walls. Cabinets had to be taken down and sheetrock ripped out. This is how the kitchen used to look, and this is how it looks now.
This is all plastic walls.
The couple is suing their insurer for breach of contract and suing the adjusting company and the initial adjuster for civil conspiracy and fraud. In this picture, the lawsuit alleges the initial adjuster is making it appear he is taking a reading, but is manipulating the sensor pad on the rear of the moisture meter with his finger to register a reading. According to the lawsuit, the adjuster did not disclose the true level of moisture in the affected areas of the property, and because of the, quote, false and fraudulent readings, the insurer refused to issue any payment.
Do you guys think that was intentional, or do you think it was incompetence?
I think without question that it was intentional.
Paul Canella is the couple's attorney.
I think that this is probably not an isolated incident. We'll probably see more instances of them doing this.
You pay the insurance company, you do what you're supposed to do, and no, you just never expect it to happen to you.
A spokesman for Alder Adjusting and Universal Property and Casualty Insurance Company, also known as UPCIC, says the allegations are false. He referenced the first lawsuit for breach of contract in his statement, which reads in part, recently as the trial date approached, Mr. Canella began threatening to bring a separate action against Alder Adjusting and Mr. Hill based on erroneous allegations he previously has raised in the pending UPCIC litigation if UPCIC would not agree to his inflated demands. Now, we tried to contact Mr. Hill but could not reach him. Matt?
All right, very interesting story. Lewis Bolden, thank you.